This is exactly how I imagined living in Scotland.
Really?
I should come back more often. Hello everyone and welcome back to On the World Stage. Today we are on the Fife Coastal Path in Scotland.
And we are going to see Highland Cows.
Apparently he found some Highland cows the other day, but I wasn't there, so I really want to see them and hope they're still there.
Yeah, the tricky thing here, they're not there every day, from what I understand. So we don't know for sure will they be there or not. We'll try to find them today.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So just before you will ask any questions, I wasn't drinking yesterday and I just got a sunburn. And it's not even a joke. Yeah, I got a sunburn in Scotland.
Got a sunburn playing golf.
Playing golf, yeah, all day pretty much.
Yeah.
Or better part of the day. I think we're gonna play the same Himalayan course later today.
Yes, we have to make sure we get it there.
Yeah.
I think the last round is at 5:20 or something.
Okay.
We saw these flowers when we were hiking Arthur's Seat, and I was obsessed with them, asking what they're called. Now I forget the name. I think it's gorse. Wait, why are the birds being so loud? I think they're trying to interrupt the video. How far are the cows?
It's like an hour walk from this place. Maybe 45 minutes. Depends on how fast you're climbing there. So one thing about the cows is that there is no specific location where you can find them. From what I understand, there is a whole path. It's kind of like an open free range. How would you call it proper? Like a free range with cows. And they can be in any location, in any part of that range. So you can... That's why we don't know, like, would we find them today or not?
Okay, but even if we don't find them, we're making a video of this beautiful walk because
Yeah.
look at the view. There's St. Andrews. That's
Yeah.
where I live.
Came from there, a little from there.
Wow. Oh my goodness, yeah, we were there by the cathedral.
And this is only the beginning.
Can we go back and get ice cream?
I also liked that ice cream yesterday.
Gelato.
Yes, I think I will get the same one. Honey
And salted honey.
and salted honey, yeah.
I want to see, yesterday they had a special flavor called, like, it was tahini, like sesame.
Mm.
It said flavor of the day, but I don't know, like, is it flavor of a few days or just one day?
Okay, we're on a mission. We need to see cows.
See
W-
cows?
We need to go back to the city and buy the gelato
Gelato.
and to play golf.
Again, third time
Yeah.
in the past a little more than 24 hours. Okay, I think we found something relating to cows here. So these are the Highland cows we're looking for. You can find out where they are by scanning the QR code. So this is the moment of truth. If you give me your phone, we can try to scan it and find where they are. Someone told me about that. Someone from church told me about the QR code, remember? Okay, grazing map. No fence. It's taking a while to load though.
Do you see any? I think I opened this QR code. I did not see any cows, but I kept walking until I found them.
I don't see anything on this map, like within like 20 kilometers.
Yeah, you see now why I did not even
Okay, I get
use
it.
this QR code.
Okay, I'm gonna be hopeful here and just hope that without this we can find them. Let's go.
Yeah, me too.
Welcome.
It's really hard to say exactly where they were. I saw them by that old golf course. Oh no, not the old golf course. Sorry, the other one.
We're by a golf course right now. Look there.
Oh yeah, right, exactly. So I saw them, I would say 15 minutes from here by foot. But if you look at the ground, you would find some signs that they were here.
Like hooves? Like their hoof
No,
print?
they poop.
Their poop?
Yes.
You found their poop?
Yeah, so be careful here. So last time I found those cows right near to that landmark that you can find here on this path. It's called Rock and Spindle, and it's some kind of a rock formation, a very interesting place. and they were right next to it. So I think today we will also show this landmark.
And also, I just looked up which golf course we're next to. We're next to the Castle course of St. Andrews. So yeah, I didn't know about that golf course. I thought we were by the Fairmont, but the Fairmont is a bit further down, past the Rock and Spindle. We have a sign that cows might be near. Look at this specimen here.
It's a good sign.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Besides jokes, this is how we found them last time, because I saw some Reddit posts like about cows, like ChatGPT also suggested they might be here, but I wasn't sure. Then I just like walked here and I saw this poop, cows poop, and I was like, okay, well, they're probably here this season.
This is exactly how I imagined living in Scotland.
What do you imagine?
Just walking on a path like this every day. I should come back more often. Of these cows, but no signs of the cows. Do you know what I mean? Onward. They weren't here? You're further? How much further?
I just keep walking. I don't want her to know how further from here, so I just told her to keep walking. It's pretty far from here even. It's just maybe 50% done. Here's more, and it looks kind of fresh to me, so
Ooh,
good signs.
good signs.
Yep.
Imagine they were walking right where we
I
are
know.
walking.
Oh, that's stairs.
It's like a celebrity or something. Like it was here, like I'm here. Like,
They might be around the corner here any second.
oh, I'm scared.
We're here.
No, stop! Stop!
So, last time I went here, this week, they were right at that hill, on the top of that hill. Right today, I don't see them there. This is maybe the worst scenario I expected because I don't know where to find them. Which means that we just need to continue walking. We need to keep walking there. Oh my gosh, it makes it even more interesting. So let's keep walking.
Let's find them.
So I am not sure how is it possible because my vision is not as
So
sharp. It's so far, yeah. But I think I see two little. It looks like bugs from here. It's probably so far from here.
And I have 20/20 vision,
Yes.
and I can confirm that looks like two cows over there. And
Yeah.
it's pretty far though. We have to go further.
Yeah. Okay, I think
Oh
good
my
news.
gosh, that's them.
I think good news because
That's them for sure.
we found them even closer. I'm not sure. Is this another like two cows or like I definitely see cows
Yeah,
now.
they're two closer ones. 100%.
I think they're
sure
closer.
That's them.
What about those?
I think they could both be.
They can both be cows.
Yeah.
Okay.
There might be some blending in with the flowers as well.
Yeah, last time I saw only two cows, but I think there should be more. So let's find out. I don't understand, where did they go?
They were here.
They were here literally like 10-15 minutes ago, and I see people in front of us are still walking. They're probably also looking for cows.
Look, they're there. In the water.
In the water.
They're in the water. Those are probably the ones that were here and then they just walked a little and they went in the water. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're moving. They're moving.
No, don't worry. Just go and say hello.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll
What do you like about these cows?
I like their faces. I like that they have this hair covering their face. Actually, I thought it was covering their eyes, but I see now the eyes are on the side. So apparently they can see something. They're just funny looking.
I have never seen a cow with so much hair. I wonder, do they need it because of the local like climate? Because it's very, very windy?
So someone told me that these Highland cows shouldn't really be around this area. That's why there's not so many of them.
Mm-hmm.
They're really bred for being in the Highlands, which is where the name comes from. And the Highlands are like the northwest like parts of Scotland. So yeah, some people decide to keep them around here, but they're not really meant for this area. If you know anything else about this species, please comment below and tell us, because I would love to learn more about these cows.
They're so cute.
That's clearly a female because I see udders, and I'm just surprised because they have horns. I thought that usually for cows, only the men would have horns, like only males would have horns. Okay, so we are happy to say that this has been a successful video because we succeeded. We found the Highland cows. Are you happy about it?
I'm happy because this morning I wasn't sure will we find them or not, because from what I heard, chances to find them are kind of like not 100%, but I'm very happy, so we found them today.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll do our best to reply to everyone. And I also realized we didn't introduce ourselves. So my name is Mariel.
My name is Andre.
And we make some travel videos together. Right now I'm living in Scotland, but soon we will be together. We're a long distance couple. So yeah, if you like this, please continue watching our videos.
And see you in a few seconds if you click on our next video.
All right, see you then.
See you.
For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness, yeah.